Yo, what's up? So right now, it is currently I think 11:30 in the morning, and we're actually going out. Me, Mitchell, and Connor are going out right now for two things. One, we're picking up taillights for Mitchell's Prelude because he found a really good deal on them. So we're gonna go ahead and cop those. And two, we're picking up wheels for Connor's Cressida. But you guys gotta remember that Mitchell doesn't even know we picked up this Cressida. So we're making all these videos in secret, and these will all get posted after we present the Cressida. And this is after basically we get a good build on it. So we've been filming a lot in just private behind Mitchell and Omar's back. And they'll eventually find out, but right now we're picking up wheels, and we're giving Mitchell the idea that these wheels are from my FC. So we're all gonna be together, but little does he know these wheels are all for Connor's Cressida. So I'm gonna record, and hopefully we have a good day today. So I'll catch you guys later.
Mitchell did not know, bro.
Dude, I was like laughing. He was like, "Why are you acting so weird?" No, you hold on to it. I'm gonna say that I gave you the money.
No, bro, don't do that.
Why?
Don't do that.
Cause no, I'm gonna be like, cause like when we go up to there, I'm not gonna be the one walking up to the dude.
So I'm gonna be the one buying it?
Cause what if I go up to the dude and he goes, "Oh, what's up, Connor?" and I shake his hand, and he thinks I'm you.
I guess.
And then Mitchell's gonna be like, why does he say you're Connor? So I'm gonna say I gave you the money, and then I'm like, I'm like, oh, Connor, okay, go check him out for me, and I'm gonna park the car. That's the plan.
All right, bro.
I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna park the car, and you go get it for me. Cause Mitchell already thinks you're the middleman, so it makes sense to keep rolling with that.
But that shit could be literally buffed off and stuff. Like you can literally, cause my brother, this is just like the excess scotches.
Oh, you don't mind if we record, right?
No, you can record all you want.
Alright, cool. Yeah, there's a lot of scratches on it, but
Yeah, you can just like sand it down and stuff, like with different grits, and just like clear coat it. It'll be. Worker at the time, he had a Prelude. It would just sit for like 2 years. He's like, oh yeah, like I'll give it for you to like 2K. I'm like, hell yeah.
Oh,
let's do it.
no way,
Let's
bro.
do it. So I was
Especially in
just
the market right now.
Saving up and just bought this.
yeah. So we copped the taillights, and we're about to go get some wheels now. Wait, let's redo that. Ravlude. I don't know if he has Instagram or anything, but his name was Rav. He was a cool dude, so.
Yes. I mean,
I'm not.
All right, y'all. Look at that. Taillights.
Yes. What was it? Rav?
Rav, yeah.
Hey, yo, shout out to the homie Rav. Thank you for the pieces.
Thanks for subscribing to me.
Oh yeah, thanks for subscribing to the channel.
He was so, man, he was really nice.
He was a cool dude, man.
He was a
Cool
nice
ass dude.
Definitely.
And now we're gonna go get some Chick-fil-A,
Yes, sir.
and then we're gonna go pick up my wheels.
Yep. All right. I guess you could play.
Load it up and
Well,
ready to go.
Got them wheels.
How you feel, Connor, about those wheels, huh? What you think about them?
I think they're pretty good. I think they'll look good on the FC.
Mitchell, what you think? What you think about them? Oh, not your style, bro?
I'll have to see them on the car and then I'll make my opinion.
Okay.
Right now, I'm not fucking with them that hard.
Okay.
Yeah, I think they look pretty good on the FC. You know what I'm saying?
Yep, I do too, bro.
Yeah, you have to see like once it's on, bro.
Yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? Mitchell is no longer with us. It's just me and Connor. We have the wheels in the car. We just got home, and we're gonna go ahead and test fit these just to see how they look. It probably won't look the best knowing that the car is still on stock height, but we're just gonna see anyway. And basically, yeah, so we're still keeping it a secret from Mitchell. Mitchell has no idea. We almost slipped up a couple times, but we're chilling, so we're in the green. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on and we'll show you guys.
Oh goddamn, these are heavy.
All right, time to test fit.
are now listening to Kitsune.
Put your answers down below in the comments.
Alright guys, all that's left is we lower it and the body kit. Once we get the body kit and the coils on, it'll be complete and ready to show the boys. So stay tuned for that to happen. Hopefully it'll be done by winter. Alright guys, we just finished. Connor's gonna move the car back around to the secret hiding spot. And we're chilling. So I think once this is lowered, I think it'll look really good. So we're just gonna keep it here for now. Or around the secret spot. Once we're low, bro, it'll be cool.
Don't tell anybody, but we do have a secret of secret spots. Don't show the cameras.
Alright guys, so me and Connor are currently in the lab right now. So the last thing you guys saw was we picked up the wheels.
A G handle.
And and now this is a crazy move guys, but we're getting the body kit right now. I won't tell you guys what brand or anything. You guys will get to see what it looks like when it comes in. I don't know how long it takes to ship, but when it comes in, we'll show you guys.
Oh, there's only one brand regardless, bro.
It's okay, bro. We'll show them, bro.
I guess.
What else do I have to say? It's just crazy that like we only got this car last week. Mitchell and Omar still don't know. We've already got coilovers on the way, and we have the kit now getting ordered, and we have some wheels on. Like, guys, like it's gonna be a crazy trip once we put everything together, and then we'll make a video when we show it to the boys. And then it's crazy that I can't drop any of these videos until after that. So you'll get all these Cressida videos basically after winter break is when we plan to get the car complete and show the guys. But besides that, you guys do not get to see any of these videos.
Hey, film it, bro. Everything. Block it, block it, block it, block it.
Okay,
Don't look.
Hey, I won't show them the address or anything, but hey guys, so that's that.
Review in place order.
Review in place.
Fuck it, bro.
Oh!
You'll receive a confirmation email soon. Gritty, bro.
What kind of noise are you guys
Hey.
making?
Nothing.
It's kind of crazy, bro.
Too easy.
Hey,
What do you want?
crazy moves, bro. Crazy moves. Stop.
What? What moves? I want to know.
That's moves.
1606. Word enough. God damn. Get
Anyway,
off of me.
we'll catch you guys later.